Hello guys, I am Jack from Pro Scientist. Today I am going to show how to use Google Forms. If you haven't accessed the previous playlist, then just go on playlist section and then access all playlists from one video to all videos we have uploaded. Our playlist. Let's not waste the time and type forms.google.com and you will be on this page. Now you have to click on template gallery and you will find lots of templates and just select blank quiz in education and click on it. And now you will be on form builder. And now you can edit the title. Now I will give the title as demo. You can also give description. I will give description. Hey, this is a demo. And now you can put your questions. Now I am going to give the question as 20 plus 20. And you can give your options also. And you can click on answer key button below and select the correct answer and click on done. And you can give points also for this question, how many points this question reviewed. And you can make this question as required. This is how you can create your own forms. And to add a form, add a question, just click on the plus sign. And now I will put a second question, 5 divided by 2. You can put any of question you like. And just click the answer key button below and just select. And you can also give a feedback if answer is wrong. And this is how you can create your own form or test. Now let us check out the settings. Click on the setting button and this should pop up. And you can collect the email address, so users should be enter their email address before submitting the form. You can give a limit to one chance by clicking this, and you can give permission edit after submit. And now click on save and your form is submitted. And now just click on send and select the link 1 and just click on shorten URL and then click on copy. And you can access this form from anywhere. Now let's open a new tab and paste the link and press enter. Now here is our form. Now you can fill this form and submit it. And now I will quickly fill it. Now I have filled it completely. And now I will click on submit button. And now we can see view score or edit your response. Now let's see our score. And our score is 2 out of 4 because we did second question wrong. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching and please subscribe our channel that you will never miss any video, and we will meet in next video.